So nag-book kayo ng hotel dun sa, ano yun?
Sa Belmont po,
Belmont.
Your Honor. Opo.
Saan yung event?
Sa Marriott po, Your
Marriott.
Honor.
Sino nagbayad dun sa Belmont?
Ako po.
Hindi sponsored ng GMA.
Hindi po.
Di ba lahat ng mga artista, lahat ng mga konektado sa GMA, di ba ni-sponsora ng
Hindi
automatic
po,
na yun na sagot ng GMA, sabi
Apo.
nga. So kayo,
Lahat po ng consultants, yung mga creative, nag-book kami sa Belmont.
okay, diretsuin ko na kayo But before I ask you direct questions, bakit hindi kayo sumipot last hearing? Do you have the copy of the text messages? Kasi dinilit mo lahat nasa may telepono ko. Dinilit mo lahat yung mga messages Do you have a copy of the text messages? You sure?
Yes po,
Pag
Your Honor.
nirecover namin sa Globe yan, sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth po, Your Honor.
You did not?
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling. Kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I am
you can,
under oath,
if
Your
you can
Honor.
show me proof that Direct Jojo texted Sandro. All right.
Your Honor,
Yes.
siya po yung mismo nagsabi na andyan po ba kayo, sir?
Wait lang. Yeah. We'll go to that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Allegedly, you texted Sandro if you can come over to the room with you. Deny. Yeah, maganda
Yes,
si
Your
Atty. Kapunan. Magaling na abogada yan. Huh? Yeah, but apparently, Sandro asked if who was with you. Nag-text back si Sandro. At ang reply mo, just me. Okay? Sandro never replied. Okay? Wait lang. Sandro never replied Ako, base sa investigation ko lang to. Kaya syempre, natakot. Sinabi, just me. Di ba? After a while, you texted again and told Sandro the context of your text was joke. At sinabi mo, you were in the company of some of the creatives. Yes or no?
Ang eksaktong
Yes or no?
ang eksaktong text ko po, Your Honor, I'm with Drama Peeps but we're wrapping up na.
Yes. But you texted him joke, correct?
Well, yes, Your Honor. Kasi nung una, nung just me po, kasi natutulog na po sa tabi ko si Dode. And then,
Then just me, Sandro did not reply. And then when
Yes,
you
po.
replied joke, I was with some of the creatives. Mismo yung mga tao sa creatives.
yes po, but
Creative
I
department.
also said po,
Correct.
yes po,
Okay.
Your Honor. But I also said po, Your Honor, we're wrapping up na. Kasi I didn't want him to think po that
Okay.
anything about
Okay.
the just me text.
After which, Sandro obliged to the invitation of Jojo. At doon nag-text si Sandro na pwede ba dumaan dyan? Sino-sino pa kayo nandyan? Yun yung lumalabas sa social media na hindi naman kinover kung ano yung prior conversation. Correct?
Your
Mm.
Your Honor, wala pong invitation, wala pong direct invitation from me, from myself. Siya po yung nagsabi na pwede pa ba akong umat dyan,
Kaya
sir?
nga. Kasi prior to that, inibitahan mo nga Huwag ka na mag-deny, inimbitahan mo na nga to come over your room.
Hindi po, Your
Tapos
Honor.
tinanong nga ni Sandro, sino nandyan? At sinabi mo, me only, ako lang. Tapos biglang sinabi, hindi na nag-reply, sinabi mo, joke. I am with some creatives.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No, wala pa naman, there's nothing sensitive here. As we go along, siguro.
But, these are
Hindi pa naman sensitive yung matter.
facts of the case po, Your
Huh?
Honor. These are already facts
So?
of the case po, Your Honor.
I'm just asking you if it's true or false. Wala pa naman tayo sa
There was no
Hindi pa
direct
naman sensitive
invitation.
yung,
There was no direct invitation from me, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was just being polite and kind because he is my friend. But there was no direct invitation po. In fact po, bago po siya na sinabi na akit siya, I said we're wrapping up.
Totoo ba? Do you have a copy of the text message?